Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode we're going to talk about glass cleaner and towels. Right here we have few products and we have two towels. If people ask me which one is better out of these products, out of this line, I will say it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which cleaner you use for glass. What matters is the towels. Because I've been using a lot of towels for many years, and I came to the conclusion that you can clean your glass even with water, and the result is gonna be the same. But if you have a good towel, that's gonna make the difference. Right here I have the towel that I prefer. It's gonna be these towels, the surgical towels, when you have to clean glass. In this side we have something from Chemical Guys, waffle towel, really bad because after time it's gonna start breaking down and you're gonna see a lot of red hairs all over the glass, and I'm gonna show you that in a minute. So we're gonna try one of the cleaners. Like I said, it doesn't matter. This company, they put ceramic on their cleaners. They have their signature series cleaners. They have a bunch of crap. You guys know that this company just likes to sell. But to be honest, it doesn't matter what you use. Like I said, you can clean with water and you're gonna get the same result. But if you clean with this towel, you're gonna have a very good result. So let's move to the car. I'm gonna show you only in one window the difference between a good towel and a crappy towel. If you can see from that angle, this glass is super dirty. We're gonna use first Chemical Guys towel and Total Wax, a new glass cleaner, inside and out. Like I said, really dirty window. We're just gonna spray a little bit and start cleaning. What I'm trying to do right here is just, I want to make sure that it's super clean. That's all I'm trying to do. So we flip around the towel a couple of times. Okay, now let's get close and I'm going to show you how the window looks. Hopefully the camera is going to be able to catch this. If you can see a lot of little hairs, a lot of fluff in the window, probably you can see there. You see that? You see that? After few months, that towel will start to breaking down and it's gonna leave the windows or glass just like that. You can see right there. It's gonna be hard to catch it, but probably you can see it right there. And we went like 10 passes on the window and still it didn't clean really well. Now we're gonna use the surgical towel on the same window. We're gonna spray more cleaner and then we're gonna go with the other towel so I can show you the difference. Okay guys, we have the same window, same cleaner, surgical towel. Few passes, we flip the towel around. Okay guys, probably you're not gonna be able to see it. This towel left everything clean, so it's nothing in there. So if you're cleaning your windows inside, outside, on your house, on your vehicle, my recommendation is gonna be this type of towel, surgical towels. Okay, guys, so there you have it. For me, these towels changed the game because with these ones, we clean the interior, exterior of the glass, works perfect. It's not breaking down like these ones. This is just trash. So another thing that I noticed when I purchased this through Amazon, a lot of people was complaining about the towels after they give it a wash on their machine. When they came out of the dryer, they came with wrinkles and they came really ugly. This one has been going through, I think, like 3 or 4 washes already. It looks the same as the brand new ones. And the problem is, if you're gonna wash this towel, just treat these ones like you treat your microfiber, um, cold water, and when you dry them without heat, because the heat is gonna damage the towels, obviously. So you have to make sure that you do it the right way. No heat when you're drying your towels, and they're gonna last a lot longer like that. But if you put heat, you're just gonna destroy the towels. And for the cleaners, whatever you get is fine. You don't have to go crazy expensive. You can, like I said, you can clean them just with water. Uh, for me, this one works really good. It's just a mist. It doesn't go everywhere. This one from Total Wax works great. I really like it. And with this and this towel, I just get great results all the time. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this glass cleaner, inside and out, from Total Wax and from my surgical towels. So guys, I'll leave it with that. I hope you like this little tip on how to clean glass. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.